Hey everybody, this is Creating Flavors here. We are making mint sauce in this episode. It's a spicy mint sauce. So let's make this fantastic dish to enjoy with our friends and family. So for the sauce guys, you need 7 to 8 garlics, 5 to 6 bird's eye chili if you do like it hot. I've got 2 tomatoes. This will be about 3 or 4 people portion sauce. So 2 tomatoes, some lemon juice, about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. We've got 2 handfuls of coriander and 1 handful of mint. The mint is the smallest amount, so it's a very nice fresh mint here. So without further ado, let's make this mint sauce. Guys, get yourself a blender. I'm using a handheld one, so I'm slicing up the tomato a little bit. That will help it blend much easier. If you've got a food processor or a proper blender, you don't need this to slice it, you can drop it all in. But I've got a handheld one, so I do need to cut it into pieces. Now guys, drop in all your ingredients. The garlic, it's all been peeled. The coriander and mint and all thing. I'm gonna give the coriander last one ingredient that's gonna be in. This mint sauce is gonna be nice and spicy and fabulous. It's gonna be quite sweet. It's not gonna be tangy, as if you do want it tangy, you can use the turmeric sauce. If you do want it to be very tangy, you can use the turmeric sauce and the lemon juice. So this will give it the tanginess to it. The lemon juice is gonna give it more mildness. So now, all you need to do is blend to make the sauce. So guys, get your blender and pop it in. Now you need to start blending. So all you need to do, carry on blending it until it's puree, until you're fine that it's blended to a puree where you can have the sauce very nicely. I'm adding some water just to make it more liquidy. Now all you need to do, carry on blending until it's a puree. So you want the sauce to be nice and soft and very liquidy. Now the mint sauce is all blended. It's looking really nice, and I can smell the flavor coming out into me. It's probably the way I would really want to try it. So all you need to do is boil it up and enjoy with your food, chicken, fried, anything you like. You can have this sauce. It's a fantastic sauce. I've made it spicy because I love everything spicy. So this is a very short video how to make a marinade or a sauce, whichever you want to call it. It's going to be fantastic. So thank you for watching Creating Flavors. Hope you have enjoyed this short episode. Please share and subscribe with your friends and family. Bye bye.